Guys, how to fix 0x00000119 blue screen error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code having blue screen on your system, Windows 11 and 10, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Device Manager, right click on Start button and choose Device Manager and update your graphics card driver. Here go to Display Adapter section, expand them and right click on your display adapter driver and choose Update Driver. How do we want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Window will update your graphic card driver and after that check your blue screen of death BSOD or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key or right click on a start button and choose settings. Latest updates. Sometimes outdated OS may be a cause of blue screen of death error appears. Go to Windows Update from the left side and click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. After that, check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type Windows Memory Diagnostic and open Windows Memory Diagnostic tool in your system. There may be a cause of some memory related problems, causes of blue screen of death error. So Windows Memory Diagnostic tool, open it and check your computer for memory problems. Memory problems can cause your computer to lose information or stop working. So choose recommended now and check for problems recommended. Restart now and check for problems recommended option and follow on screen instruction to complete the memory diagnostic tool process. Thereafter, check whether your blue screen error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restore your system file. Shortcut key to open Run dialog box and here type RSTRUI to open System Restore window. Restore system files and settings window will appear. Here click on Next and choose a system restore point. In my case, system image restore point, which can't be restored. So restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You should choose the another restore point other than system image restore point, because system image restore point cannot be a restore point. So choose the Windows Update or how to create a system restore point. Go to my channel and look for the video.